And hello there, 30 Minutes Fans and folks. This is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is from the latest 30 Minute Sisters. We have the SIS K00 Micolulu Color B. So, as you can see, she looks like a Kanoichi or ninja, bat ninja, I guess. As you can see in the box art. Anyways, and off to the side, as you can see here, so yes, he has different face expressions. What you can do with her without the armor, and then with the armor, and of course some actions that you can do with her, which really, I really think she looks like a bat or fox. I don't know. Off to the other side, here it is. We're in. It says you can combine her with the 30 minutes fantasy Draconian Lord. And of course, other parts of the 30 minutes label, like the 30 minutes other or the 30 minutes sisters, and of course the 30 minutes mission. And I think here it's the wild bike that they are showcasing. Anyways, let's take a look inside the box. So here you have it. The you know all the different facial expressions here. One bag with flesh and all black, another bag with a multicolored sprue, all black and all black sprue. Lastly, we have an all black and an all white sprue. And yes, of course, we cannot forget the instruction manuals for Micolulu here. And of course, again, as what they have seen or shown in the box, you can combine it with the Draconia Lord, and of course with the Wild Bike for the 30 minutes mission. And you can combine her with the other 30-minute mission sisters as well. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. First up, we have the A sprue, which is a multicolored sprue. We have reds, grays, whites, and flesh color. Then comes the B sprue, which is here all black. And then here comes the C sprue, which is all gray. Then comes the D sprue, which is again all black. Finally, the E sprue, which is flesh. And then the F sprue, which is again all black. It also has the hair parts here, which all black. And finally, the facial parts with the different facial expressions. And there you have it, 30 minutes fans. So folks, that was what's inside the box of the latest 30 Minute Sisters SIS K00 Micolulu Color B, which again for me looks like a Konoichi with a bat motif. Anyways, as you can see, you can incorporate her or have her interact with the 30 Minutes Fantasy line and of course the 30 Minutes Mission lines. And this is Mixer saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leave a like, viewing other videos, seeing the videos, commenting and sharing. And until next time, see you and thank you.